Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your Sonos lamp speaker Symfonisk. So it's pretty simple and this is how you're going to do it. First you want to unplug it from the wall. So just unplug it, then press and hold the play button. So when you're going to unplug it, press and hold the play button, and when you're going to press and hold the play button, you want to plug the speaker back in. And keep holding the play button until the indicator is going to like blink white then orange. And then you just want to release when the indicator is going to start blinking orange, just release it from the play button. And then it's going to wait for the indicator lead to blink green, indicating the reset is complete. So first you're going to unplug it, then you're just going to press and hold the play button. You're going to plug it back in, and you're going to wait until this light is going to be orange, and then you're going to release the play button once the light starts blinking orange. That's it. Super helpful, super simple. Let me know down below in the comments if it helped you. Have a great day and goodbye.